So this is a Canva tutorial for the rotating tumbler mockup. Let's first open the template link. You'll find two options. Page 1 is the option with the lid on, and page 2 is the option with the lid off. Click on position to see all the layers. We can start by dragging and dropping your background into the background frame, then your design image into the tumbler design frame. Then drag the design frame to under the background frame as shown here, so that the design is only showing on the tumbler. To make the design blend well with its surroundings, you can click on Edit in the top bar and use Auto Adjust or manually change the settings to achieve a look you like best. Now we can make some adjustments to the shadow and highlight layers to find the setting that works best with the specific background and design that you're using. Again, you can play around with the adjustment settings of each of the layers so that everything looks coherent together. The same goes for the shadow layer. The shadow layer is actually a group of 2 layers that you can play with for a more custom look. You can unlock the group and ungroup the 2 layers to work with them. Then group them back together and lock the group again to keep your layers more organized. Once you're done, you can preview how it looks. One thing to note with the background frame is that you can double-click into the frame and size the background image or move it around to use the area that you like best within the frame. Then use adjustments to make the image look more blended with the whole picture. Now let's move on to the second option with the lid off. Everything is the same as before, the only difference is that now you have a lid you can move around and play with. The lid layer is a group of 2 layers consisting of the lid and its shadow. You can play around with the adjustment settings and move it around or scale it to achieve the look you like best. Once you're done, the last step is just to export the video by clicking on Share, then download as a MP4 video. Before I go, here is a bonus tip. To expand your background pack, you can apply filters to the 2-tone background to get different colors to suit your brand. Thank you for watching and let me know if you have any questions.